Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can speed up the Windows and boost the performance of our Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. And so for that, we will begin with disabling some startup apps in the Task Manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon. Windows taskbar, and then go with Task Manager option, or you can also make a right click with the Windows icon and then click on the Task Manager option. So once you are in the Task Manager window, all you need to do is just to go to the Startup tab or Startup Apps tab, and here please go over with the enabled applications and determine which of them are unnecessary or unwanted. And once you have already identified them, just simply disable them. Please make a right click and then click on the disable button. And then just do the same thing with all the other applications that you don't want to be associated during startup. And after doing that, just close this window and we will be opening the run window. So please make a right click again here in the Windows icon, click on the run option there, and then there we need to type msconfig, and we will be opening the system configuration window. And here we need to go with the services tab. Now please make a click on that, and here we need to check the hide all Microsoft services option and then click on disable all. And after doing that, just click on apply and then click on OK and then close this window. Next thing we need to do is to go with our Windows search tab, and there we need to type notifications and actions. So please go with notifications and actions option here in the under best match. And all you need to do is just to uncheck the get tips and tricks. So we will be turning this notification on. Click this drop down button, and here all you need to do is just to uncheck the get tips and tricks and suggestions option. So we will be looking for that option here. And if you found it in your device, all you need to do is just to uncheck or deselect that option. Once you're done doing that, please go with the run option. Just close this window, and then we will be going now with the run button or run window. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon, go click on the run option, and here we need to type temp. We will be deleting the temporary data or temporary files here in our device. So please click on OK or enter. And then the next thing you need to do is to go press the Control A button to select everything. And you can do that by pressing again the Control A button or click on the delete button now. And once you have done deleting or clicking the delete button, it will notify you that some items will be needing or will need to be skipped. And just click on this, do this for all current items here, and then click on the skip button. And then once you have already skipped those items, then just let some items to be deleted. And after doing this one, we will proceed with another command, which is the %temp% or percentage temp percentage. After doing this one, just please click on OK or enter again. And here we will be deleting, or we will be doing the same thing, deleting all the items or files in here. And then just select everything, click on this delete button, and some items will still be skipped. So just leave them be skipped and just delete or continue deleting the items that can be deleted. After doing this one, just close this window, and then we will run the last command, which is the prefetch. And then click on OK or enter. And then once you're in this location, all you need to do is just do the same thing. Click on Control A to select everything. Click on delete to delete all the files, and then close this window. The next thing is to go to the control panel. So please proceed with the Windows search tab. Again, type control, and you will get under best match the control panel option. So here we will be going with the power plan. So you will get first the power options here. So please click on that first, and then we will be going now to the power options. So we are now to choose or customize a power plan. Now, if you're seeing here high performance or balance or Acer, so all you need to do is just to either select balance Acer. So just select the plan that you want, and then after selecting it, just please click on the change plan settings. And then once you do that, you will get this change advanced power options or power settings option. So please proceed with processor management or processor power management, and you will get this minimum and maximum processor state. So please set the minimum processor state to 0%, and the maximum processor state will set to, or you shall set this to 100%. Once you're done with this one, click on OK and just close this window. After doing this, proceed with the storage settings. So please make a search again with your search tab, type storage, and you will get under best match storage settings. So please make a click on that. Here we need to enable the storage sense. So please scroll down and then please make sure that this is turned on. The options for storage sense to automatically free up space, delete temporary files. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to click on this cleanup of temporary files option here, and then you can configure the cleanup schedules by selecting the options for how often you would like to run the storage sense. So you can choose every week, every month, every day, or during low free disk space, which is default option. So you can either choose from the options here, and then once you're done doing this one, you can also proceed with this delete files in my recycle bin. So you can also choose for an option for that, and delete files in my downloads folder. So once you're done doing this one, just close this window, and then we will proceed with the privacy settings, or you can just also go with this privacy and security options here, and then scroll down. You will get this app permission section. All you need to do is just to disable some options that you think are unnecessary. For example, the microphone, everything that you see in here. So just go over each of the options and then select disable for those that are unnecessary or unwanted. Once you're done with this one, proceed with this search tab here and then type themes and related settings. Now please click on that and then look for transparency options. So we can also type here transparency effects in the search tab, and once you click on that, you will be brought to this visual effects here, visual effects window. So please make sure that you have turned off this transparency effects. It will help boost or speed up the performance of your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So once you're done doing this one, we will run another command in the run window. So this time we will be cleaning the disk. So please type clean mgr. And then once done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And after doing this, all you need to do is just to select for the files that you should clean up or you should delete. If you want certain files to be deleted, all you need to do is just to check the option before it and then click on OK, and all these items will be permanently deleted from your device. Once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, you will see a great change in the performance or speed of your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.